Today, I'll be discussing a hypothetical developmental network that leads to the formation of spikes in certain cells of the ectoderm of the spiny beetle. The pathway provided to us is shown below, leading to the formation of spikes. The arrow represents the activation of the next gene, and the T-bar represents the repression of the next gene. So here, the S gene activates the P gene then activates the I gene, which is necessary to repress the K gene, because if the K gene isn't repressed, then the E gene would also be repressed, preventing the formation of spikes. We'll be looking at different mutant strains in the hypothetical developmental network provided to see how it affects the texture of the ectoderm in the spiny beetle. In the first mutant strain, the P gene is mutated. Because the P gene is mutated, the I gene will not be activated, which then allows the K gene to not be repressed, which will repress the E gene. Therefore, formation of spikes cannot occur. In this mutant strain, the I gene is mutated. Since the I gene is mutated, the K gene is not repressed, which also leads the E gene to be repressed, therefore no spikes are formed. Keep in mind that when spikes are not formed, the ectoderm of the beetle appears smooth instead. In the third mutant strain, a double mutation occurs, where both the I and E genes are mutated. Since the formation of spikes results mostly on the activation of the E gene, you can already determine that no spikes will be formed. The last mutant strain is also a double mutation, but this time the S and K genes are mutated. Since S is mutated, P cannot be activated, so I cannot be activated as well. Since K is also mutated, E cannot be repressed, so finally we will have the formation of spikes in our ectoderm. So to answer the question as to why don't all the cells in the ectoderm have spikes, an important concept to keep in mind is the survival of the fittest. The beetle's chances of survival will increase when the spikes are located in areas that will deter predators from the beetle. So having spikes on the stomach rather than the back wouldn't stop a predator. Its chance of survival will also increase if the spikes are distributed proportionally so that the movement of the beetle is not hindered.